Hi friends, Rotary in Mumbai is called as District 3141 and is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs. In this year, many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the society and make Rotary seen. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as Viz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Friends, the Viz Talks is a hot from oven initiative to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work in the community, have reached certain important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more to make a difference in the community. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, today I am privileged to have a very close friend of mine, a Rotarian with more than 23 years of Rotary experience, a Rotarian who's a doctor at heart, a worker at heart, and Rotarian at heart. Yes, friends, a Rotarian from Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown, a dental surgeon by profession, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg. Friends, he's a happy-go-lucky person, fun-loving, committed, very hardworking, brilliant at coming up with newer ideas, versatile, adaptable, and reliable friend with energy flowing out of him all the time. Friends, it's a pleasure for me to present in front of you a very close friend of mine, Dr. Arun Garg.
Hi friends, Namaste.
Hi,
Dr. Arun Garg.
Arun, it's a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much that after almost 30 to 35 reminders, you consented to be on the show. And I'm so pleased that I'm having you here with me on this Viz Talks.
Thank you, Manish.
Arun, you are a close and dear friend. I know you, I know your wife, I know a lot about your family. I know a lot about you through Rotary also. But यार आज बहुत सारे जन हैं यहाँ पे जो आपके बारे में और जानना चाहते हैं. Would you like to tell us something about you on your personal front?
Personal front, I got a basic theory in life. आज जिंदगी का ले लो मजा, कल क्या होगा किसको पता. In short, enjoy today, don't think about the future. And I'm a happy-go-lucky, fun-loving guy. In fact, my friends who meet me in Rotary, they say, "तू डॉक्टर है? तू ऐसे डांस कर रहे, तू डॉक्टर है कि क्या है?" मैं बोला, "Why doctors can't enjoy life?" So that's the way I am. Even when I'm treating a patient, I'm a dentist. Even when I'm removing the tooth, I make the patient laugh. I crack some joke or something or the other, so that the mind gets diverted from the problem.
Friends, as Dr. Arun said now, I've just heard it, seen it on the social media a few days back. During the COVID times, Dr. Arun Garg, I don't mind talking about you, about your person, but he has certain comorbidities. He has got some chronic medical problems, small ones. But during these times, he is expected to stay at home. He is supposed to take care of himself. But during the time of need, you know, जब दांत दुखता है तो आँख से आंसू आ जाते हैं. During the time of need, he was called by one of the patients, and you know the easiest way how you can spread COVID virus, how he could have acquired that, is when you look into the person face to face at a close distance. That is the reason you are told to keep safe distance, and you are supposed to stay in isolation or quarantine. But this doctor with that human touch, has gone to his clinic only for that patient, and after going there, he has helped him with his tooth removal, and that person has fallen on his feet and cried in front of him that you are like a godly person to me. And friends, this is the type of person that Dr. Arun Garg is showing absolutely selfless work. Otherwise, for him, his life should have been more important. But yes, he did take the precautions. But going out, facing that person, and you never know whether that person is COVID positive or negative, and doing his job, his responsibility, this is what Dr. Arun Garg is all about. So thank you.
In fact, I got tears in my eyes when the fellow fell at my feet. He was hardly 27, and he's saying, "Doctor," when I told him I'm a comorbid yet, he said, "Meri umar aapko lag jaye." मैं बोला, "My God, I don't want to live till 150 years." Yeah.
So this is what Arun is, friends. So one is the lighter side of him. This is also very important because just because you're a doctor, it's not that you've lost all your rights to enjoy all your life to have fellowship. But काम के time पे काम और मजे के time पे मजे, and till the time you do everything in your responsible senses, it's always the best. So Arun, my sincere compliments to you for the kind of work that you have been doing and the work that you have done. And I'm really impressed by the level of
because if you see, the Delhi Supreme Court has also told dental surgeons only to do consultation and emergency treatment. They are not allowing the dentist to do further treatment. And so I did what was told, do emergency treatment. And that time that patient required an extraction for his pain. So that's what we did.
There would be many who would not be venturing out, but he did. And we really respect him for that. Arun, this is about your personal front, and we could also speak so much about your profession. But let us know something more about your profession. Are you into general dentistry or you specialize something?
I'm a maxillofacial oral surgeon. That's like any surgery with the head, face, neck. But of course, I have not limited myself to oral surgery. Wisdom tooth, of course, is my forefront where I am an expert. And I go to doctors, visiting dentists for wisdom teeth surgery. But I am not dealing with mandibular jaw fractures and all, which is in the oral surgery field. I prefer to do cosmetic dentistry in making people lose their lost smile. And I'm attached to a charitable clinic where I spend 50% of my time in charitable practice and 50% is my private clinic. So it's basically just spreading your treatment to the people who cannot afford it because, dentistry is very costly.
Absolutely. So Arun, with what you have told me, I understand two things. One, you bring a smile on everyone's face through your cosmetic dentistry. And second, you bring a smile on people's face by the sheer work that you do, because you take away pain from that and you help them in smiling better. So Arun, fantastic and phenomenal job that you're doing, and salute you for the lovely efforts that you take to make your patients happy.
And we did something in the Rotary front also during the COVID.
अरुण जब भी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, आधे में काटो मत, मैं बोला ना मेरा हो जाए फिर रुको.
Okay.
Because I have to edit then all these things.
Okay.
And when I'm speaking, let my question be over. And when I ask you, that time you tell that. Don't overlap. जैसे Supreme Court का ना तेरे को बोलने का जरूरत नहीं था. I am trying to make a god out of you. Then you are saying Supreme Court. वो part में delete करेगा because that decreases what you have done.
Okay.
Don't do that. I am trying to make it totally different, yeah. Okay.
Sorry to get you out of the...
No problem. Let me just come back into it.
Yeah.
Now, Arun, let me know something more from you. See, Rotary, we have always been told in Rotary that you should use your vocation to support Rotary. Let me know if you sometimes use your vocation to support Rotary.
Yes, Manish, not during this COVID times, but otherwise, first of all, I go offer myself for any club, we have more than 90 clubs in Bombay, to call me anytime for a dental checkup camp. They just have to give me a week notice so that I don't keep patients, because a dental camp in a school or any area, if you go to a village, it takes an entire day. So I've conducted many camps in schools. I've gone to villages along with my Rotary clubs. And secondly, good thing which I do to spread knowledge among the Rotarians is I give talks on importance of good oral hygiene, in which I don't talk of how the treatment methods and what I do. I just tell them how to maintain their teeth so that they remain good.
Arun, this is definitely a nice job done. And Arun, the purpose of this interview is one more aspect of it, is we want Rotarians to work with Rotarians. We know each other personally, we are friends. We know each other through Rotary, we do social service together. But this is also a concept where we want Rotarians to be with Rotarians on professional front. For example, if I have to get something done, I will always trust a Rotarian. If I want a vendor somewhere, I will always trust a Rotarian. It is not that I won't trust anyone else. But this automatically comes the trust and transparency amongst Rotarians. So friends, by listening to what Dr. Arun Garg has said, many would have started feeling that yes, if we have a dental issue, he is the right person who just doesn't think about himself, he thinks of the opposite person too, and he's here to bring a smile on your face. So yes, Arun, definitely I think so. There'll be many more who will be listening to this. And friends, Dr. Arun is centrally situated in Chembur area. So whether it is from South Bombay, Central Bombay, Western side or Navi Mumbai side, you will always find him there. A very dedicated and sincere person. This is what Dr. Arun Garg is. Now, Arun, this was about your profession. But let's come to the most important part why you are on this interview today. You are on this interview today because you are the district project director for one of the finest avenues of year 2021. And that is nurturing the youth. Yes, Arun, youth too is one of the best avenues in the year for 2021. And we have really found you one of the most suitable people to take upon your shoulder the responsibilities of guiding and promoting youth activities in the year 2021, because youth is the future of tomorrow. Let me know something and let all of us know what are your plans regarding the Avenue Youth, where you will deal with Rotrac, Intract and many else in which you are a master. Please, Arun.
Manish, this has always been my belief ever since I was a Rotractor and an Interactor myself in my younger days. When I joined my Rotary, that was the Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown, they had stopped. The Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown had ceased to exist. So what I believe is that the youth of the present, if they require some focus in life, they should be a member of the Rotary clubs. And that is what I'm promoting, and what I've told, spoken with the DRR and also during the assembly, is that every Rotary club should have at least 2 to 3 Rotary clubs under them, because the youth is the future, as you said, and we have more than 35% of our population, which is between the age of 30 to 35. So we should be taking care of them. The teenagers, the Rotary club members are supposed to be between 18 to 29, and the Interact clubs is from 12 years to 18 years. That are the school-going children. So if they are nurtured properly and you give them direction, then they will have a lot of confidence. They'll have leadership skills. They'll develop social skills so that they can do some community service and not only think about themselves. We have to make them understand how to take over.
Excellent. But Arun, from the district point of view, I would definitely expect that you will have more Interact clubs, more Rotaract clubs, but more Interactors also becoming Rotaractors as they grow, and more Rotaractors also becoming Rotarians as they grow. So this is also your responsibility to see that if a Rotaractor is leaving Rotaract, he should have that in him, that he is now supposed to join into Rotary, because the good work should never cease to, should never stop. So I'm sure, Arun, you will be doing all those things that are expected from you in a much better manner than what has been told to you, because you are a person with finesse. You are a person who's always likes to stand up to the challenges and prove yourself better than what was expected out of you. Thank you, Arun, so much for being with us on this talk show. It has been a thorough pleasure discussing things with you. You are a lovely person, lovely human being, and I feel so good speaking to you for such a long time. Thank you, Arun.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Rotary. Enjoy Rotary. Enjoy your Rotary year, vision year.